Okay, so hi guys, so here I have some stitch pieces that I've been working on, and these take the same process as I did in my creating connections on Creative Jumpstart. So let me just come in to show you this one. So it uses a series of shapes on the fabric. We've got like 5 circles, we've got some dashes, which are these, we've got squares or rectangles, and I think we've got even some triangles in there. I'm just trying to identify them, but we've got a variety of shapes that have been cut out in fabric, and then I've gone in and stitched on it, and it's been a really lovely exercise to do, not only in using up your fabric, and you can use up some of the scraps that you may have, but also using fabric that you wouldn't necessarily normally use in a project. So that's been a nice thing to do. So that's this one, and I'll give you a close-up and a distance one of the next one. So again, using shapes, we've got triangles here, we've got 3 triangles laid on one another, and squares and dashes in different fabric, and then as I come out you'll be able to see more the circles. I've got some little tiny circles here, there's one under here and one here, and again, this uses up fabric that I would have used. I've got a whole bag full of fabric that's just scrap pieces, so this is a really nice exercise to do with them. And for this one, and oh yeah, so what I did as well was go in first with the machine and just go over it with some random lines, but that then held the pieces in place. And as you can see on this one, I started out just by doing a spiral on the machine, and then I've gone back in and done a few stitches in the spiral and some dashes here and just some small stitches. And what I want to do with this one as well is go in with a different colour, maybe pick up the yellow. And even on this one, I think I'm out of orange, but use one of the brighter colours to pick up some more of the stitching, like I've done with the red here. But yeah, this is a really nice project to do, especially if you've got a bag of fabric scraps sitting there. Cut out some shapes, put them down, and then do some slow stitching, do some machine stitching on there, and you'll end up with some really nice pieces that can go towards other things. So mini wall hangings, or you know, on in a frame, on cards, or as a fabric postcard. I wouldn't say, you would have to protect it if you were sending it through the post. And this one was then mounted on black fabric, and I've done some more stitching, but what I'll probably do is mount it again on another fabric and then bring in some of the white out into this fabric. So that's I'm looking forward to doing that, and probably do the same with the others as well. So hope you've enjoyed that little sneak or peek of the process that I would use on some of my work, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.